Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look at the chart for SPWH, and we can see here a nice move off the lows of about $4, coming close to the highs of $6 over the last couple of weeks. But now I'm going to show you where it could stall around current levels, and you have to go, this is the daily chart, you have to go take a look at the weekly, and I'll show you 3 lines on the weekly. Number 1 is a top side potential resistance on the weekly RSI coming in play right now. The stock needs to clear that line, otherwise this becomes a trouble spot. There's another line which goes back to this brick. Once it broke down there, you can see it comes off the high. We haven't been back to those levels here. Take that information, draw a straight line, and it gives you interesting points. For example, take a look at the movement here above the line for a nice swing trade higher. We find support on the line for another bounce, move back below the line for this movement lower. We go above the line here, which is here, back below the line before the drop, and now we are coming back to test this line. Failure to move above this line on a weekly basis suggests that the next swing trade is still lower. Then there's one more line, which is the recent break line. So we broke down here, which is this drop, and now we extend the same line. Should be something like that. You can see it is also coming back to test that line. So failure for the stock on the weekly chart to move above those 3 lines does suggest that chances are the next swing trade is to the downside. Keep in mind, if you want to play this, it might make sense to wait for a breakout above the recent daily closing high. The level to watch there is 5.70. A breakout above this recent daily close might suggest that the stock has finally cleared what seems to be a problem on the weekly chart as it comes back to test the 3 lines. Again, top side RSI resistance coming in play. That's the first line it needs to consider. The second line comes from the previous failure point. It's line number 2, and then line number 3 comes from this break line. So until the stock can move above those 3 lines, chances are the next major swing trade here seems to be down. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings.